How to add someone to Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, all you have to do is just tap on the story option by tapping on your profile at the top left corner. And as you do that, you can just click a picture over here by tapping on this one, or you can select from a gallery. Here I'm going to just click a plain black picture, and as you tap on the picture, now here in order to mention or add someone to the Instagram story, all I have to do is tap on the sticker icon over here at the top, and then here you can see the option of mention. So tap on mention and you can just enter the person's name over here. Or next, what you can do is simply tap on the picture and then go to your keyboard and then tap on @ and you'll be able to just mention your person's name over here and tap on it and tap on done, and you'll be good to go to share the story. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.